In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate apps in Gusto. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your operations or someone setting up Gusto for the first time, this tutorial will help you understand how to seamlessly integrate different applications into your Gusto account. With a few simple steps, you'll be able to enhance your business processes and efficiency. Let's start by navigating to the Gusto website. Open your preferred web browser and type in gusto.com. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to Gusto's homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you will find the app directory. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can explore a variety of applications that can be integrated with your Gusto system. This directory is a comprehensive resource for finding tools that can improve your operational workflow, from accounting software to time tracking tools. Now, let's move on to searching for the apps you wish to integrate. Within the app directory, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the app you're interested in. As you type, suggestions will appear below the search bar. This feature makes it easier to find what you're looking for, especially if you have a specific app in mind. After locating the app, click on it to view more detailed information. This will bring up a page with an overview of the app's features and benefits, helping you understand how it can complement your current setup. This is a great opportunity to verify that the app will meet your business needs and integrate smoothly with your existing tools. Once you've decided that this is the app you want to integrate, look for the option that says Learn More. Clicking this will provide you with additional information about the application, such as user reviews and integration details. This can be particularly useful for understanding any prerequisites or setup requirements before fully connecting the app to your Gusto account. With all the necessary information in hand, you're ready to connect the app. On the same page where you found the Learn More option, you should see a button labeled Connect. Click on this button to initiate the integration process. Gusto will guide you through the steps, which may include authorizing access to certain data or entering specific credentials related to the app. Following these steps, the app will integrate with your Gusto account, and you'll be able to start using it alongside your existing tools. Remember, integrating apps can significantly enhance your productivity by automating tasks and providing real-time data synchronization across different platforms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated an app into your Gusto account. Integrating additional apps follows the same straightforward process, so feel free to explore and find the best tools to fit your business needs. If you encounter any issues or need more specific guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to Gusto's support for assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in integrating apps into Gusto. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy integrating.